Little Friend's Big Adventure. Wow, what is this?
Car.
Who is in the car?
Cow.
Teddy bear.
Papa.
Okay.
Papa. Cow.
We are going to visit Grandpa. Grandpa atle Dada. Let's be on our way. Hurry up, little puppy. Time to wake up, little puppy. It's a very special day. And what does the car do?
Beep beep.
Can you do beep beep, please? Barabar. Press it in the center. Beep beep. Very good. Can you do beep beep again, please? Very good. What sound does the car make?
Beep beep.
Very good. Okay, and look at this bird. The bird is doing tweet tweet. Can you please make the tweet tweet sound?
Beep beep.
Can you please make the tweet tweet sound by the bird? Where is the bird? Yeah, it's a bird sound. Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Traveling past a busy farm, little puppy waves hello, and the cow says, can you please do moo moo? How does the moo moo sound? Cow. Where is the cow? Where is the cow? What sound does the cow make? Moo moo. And the cycle goes ring ring. Ring ring. Ring ring. See, this guy is going in cycle. And what does he say? Hello. There is his best friend, little lamb, ringing a bicycle. Ladybug. Yes, this is a ladybug. Very good. Little lamb ringing a bicycle bell as he goes. Can you please do ring ring bicycle bell for me again? Very good. Can you spot baby elephant? She is having so much fun. Where's the elephant? Yeah, baby elephant, right? Baby nano elephant. He's having so much fun. She's having so much fun. And he's using trunk to splash water. Can you please water sound? Can you please do water sound? What is the sound? Water. As their car goes along the beach, the little friends play in the sun. And look at what is the sound the boat is making. What is the sound the boat is making? Honk honk. Can you please press the boat button and hear the sound? Can you please do the sound? Honk, honk. What sound does the boat make? Honk. Very good.
Okay.
While mommy drives across the city, the little puppy takes photos of what they see.
Mommy.
Nice to see you.
Mama.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. With this, look, the kid is taking a photo. What is the sound that the photo make? Click, click. Can you please make the click, click sound of the camera? What sound does the camera make? Click, click. And what is this? There is a cat saying meow. Okay. And look, there is a fire engine. What is the fire engine say? Nee na, nee na. Where is the fire engine? Can you make the fire engine sound? Wow, what is the sound? Fire engine. Very good. Okay. Fireman Croc has arrived in his trunk to save a cat that's stuck up a tree. See, the cat is stuck on the tree, so Fireman Croc is here to help everybody. Finally, they get to Grandpa's house and it's nice. Now it's time to rest. Owl. What sound does the owl make? Hoot hoot. Can you please press the owl button and hear the sound? Owl. Uh-oh. Hoot hoot. And Grandpa is telling little baby a story. Once upon a time. Grandpa, Dada. A bedtime story with Grandpa is what little puppy loves best. And in the sky, there are stars doing twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes, can you please press the star button? Yeah, twinkle, twinkle sound. Very good. Little puppy has taken lots of photos of his big adventure. Look to the story and when you find these things, press the sound you see. Okay, Virti, can you please do beep beep? Where is the beep beep? Very good. What is this? Can you find, yeah, what is the sound? Splash, splash, water. Can you do splash, splash sound? Very good. Look at what is this? This is an owl. Owl doing hoot hoot. Can you please find the owl? Hoot hoot. Very good. Oh my god, look at this. It is a fire engine. Can you please press the fire engine sound for Papa? Fire engine. Where is the fire engine? Oh. And then you have camera. Click click. Can you please do the camera click click? Camera. Yeah, press it. Very good. And then there is a bird. Bird is doing tweet tweet. Can you please do tweet tweet please? Bird. Bird. Very good. Now there is a boat. Boat is doing honk honk. Can you please find the boat and do honk honk? Wow, very good. And now there is the
Cow.
Can you do moo moo for me? Wow. And then there is the bicycle. Ring ring. And then the last one is the twinkle twinkle star. Very good. Priti, can you please say bye bye? Say thank you.